Have you ever wondered how rich people spend their money? In this video, I'm going to share with you how the rich spend their money, and you will be shocked what you are about to discover. Hey guys, my name is Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 6 shocking ways rich people spend their money. Before we get to that, for those who don't know me, I am Rahim. I started my property investment journey just over 7 years ago. I was in a job where I was undervalued, underappreciated, going nowhere. I took the leap of faith to start my property investment journey with little to none of my own money by renting properties from landlords, and I subsequently rent these properties out on a room by room basis, and per night the profit I made from those properties I used to start buying my own investment properties. So from there I was able to build a multi-million pound property investment portfolio that allowed my wife and I to quit our jobs, living life in our own terms. So I hope I earn the right to explain to you how the rich people spend their money, so we can not just adapt the way they spend their money, and we can also learn how they spend their money. Let's get to it. Here are the 6 ways rich people typically spend their hard-earned money. 1, you guessed it right, investment. Wealthy individuals often reinvest a large portion of their income into stock, properties, and other form of investment opportunities to grow their wealth further. So in essence, they don't make money and then go and spend it in something else. The 2 things they do, which I really love: quality over quantity. So they prioritize buying high quality items that last longer and provide better value, such as luxury car, designer cloth, and durable household goods, so they don't have to go and buy new things all the time. 3, education and self-improvement. Now this is a trend going through all rich people. They invest in education, personal development courses, and professional trainings to enhance their skills and knowledge so they can make better and knowledgeable investment decisions. Number 4, experience over possession. Rich people often spend on travel, cultural experience, and events that enrich their lives rather than accumulating material possession that doesn't really add value in their life. Number 5, health and wellness. Exactly the opposite to poor people. Significant amount of what they spend is on maintaining health. They go to the gym, personal trainers, organic food, and regularly have medical checkups to ensure they are wealthy. 6, this is my favorite, philanthropy. Many wealthy individuals allocate a portion of their wealth to charitable causes, foundation, and community to give back to society. In essence, they believe in giving, and giving. End of the day, once you've made so much money, you come to a situation where you do not literally know what to do with the money. So what they tend to do, even if they do know what to do with that money, by the way, they go on investing as well as giving back to the community, like their churches, their synagogues, their mosques, the community around them, because they want everybody to benefit out of it. I really hope these 6 ways the rich people spend their money has enlightened you on how you could spend your money. So here's the thing: if rich people are spending their money wisely in investment, personal development, giving back to charity, creating investment opportunity, who are you not to follow that sort of format or blueprint, roadmap, whatever you may call it, to get you a better return on your investment and make your money work a lot harder for you, rather than putting that money on material things that don't really add value to you? I would like to know what of these 6 ways rich people spend their money you'd like to adapt to yourself to improve yourself. I would love to hear from you. Comment on this video. Let's get the conversation going. And if you like this video, any of my videos, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next one. Thank you.